Hi everyone, welcome to this video about Ted's Woodworking, a program that's taking the woodworking world by storm. My name is V, and I'm here to share everything you need to know about it. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced woodworker, you'll want to stick around because this program is a game changer. Plus, I'll share some important warnings at the end, so make sure to watch all the way through. Now, before we dive in, here's something you need to know. Ted's Woodworking is only available on its official website. To save you time, I've included the official link in the description below. That's the only place where you can purchase the original program. Don't get scammed by fake copies. Click the link below when you're ready to check it out. So, what is Ted's Woodworking? It's an online library of over 16,000 woodworking plans and projects. Yes, you heard that right. 16,000. From furniture to outdoor designs to small decorative items, this program has plans for everything you could imagine. And the best part? Every plan comes with clear, step-by-step instructions, making it easy for anyone to follow. What's inside the program? Along with the 16,000 plans, you'll also get video tutorials and bonus materials. These bonuses include woodworking tips, techniques, and even guides for setting up your own woodworking shop. It's packed with value and designed to help you succeed no matter your skill level. One of the best features is that you get lifetime access to all the plans and materials. That means you'll always have a go-to resource for new ideas and inspiration. Whether you're building furniture for your home or taking on a professional project, Ted's Woodworking has you covered. So why do people love it? First, the variety of plans is unmatched. There's literally something for everyone. Second, the instructions are so beginner-friendly that even someone who's never held a saw can create something amazing. And third, the program is perfect for experienced woodworkers who want to expand their skills and tackle new challenges. But here's the important warning. Ted's Woodworking is only sold on its official website. You won't find it on Amazon, eBay, or any other platform. To make sure you're getting the real program and to avoid wasting your money, use the link in the description below. That's the only place to get it. If you've been searching for a woodworking program that's easy to use, packed with value, and backed by countless satisfied users, Ted's Woodworking is the one. It's affordable, comprehensive, and suitable for anyone looking to master the art of woodworking. Click the link below to visit the official website and start your woodworking journey today. After you try it out, let me know in the comments what projects you've created. I'd love to hear your success stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.